Yeah. This one's for the people. The ones who got nothing. While they eating everything, Somalia, listen up. Hey! They sit in their mansions while the children cry. They shake hands with the enemy and wonder why. The country's burning down, but they counting their cash. Selling out the nation for a temporary flash. Every dollar they pocket got a dead man's name. Every vote they bought got a mother's pain. They smile for the cameras, they pray for the crowd, but behind closed doors they selling us out loud. Foreign hands in our soil, foreign flags on our land. These politicians kissing rings they don't understand. They don't fight for Somalia, they fight for the check. Got our people on their knees with a boot on their neck. 30 years of civil war, who profited the most? Not the farmer, not the soldier, not the ones we lost. It's the man in the suit with the foreign bank account, trading Somali blood for a diplomatic amount. Blood money, that's all they know. Take from the poor, let the rich overflow. Blood money, we see your face. You sold your own people, what a damn disgrace. Rise up Somali, I don't bow to the game. These traitors walk free, but we know their name. Blood money, the truth will speak. The people are rising and the future ain't bleak. Let me break it down for those who still sleep. These politicians got promises they never keep. They fly business class on a government dime, while a mother in Mogadishu can't afford a dime. They bring the foreigners in to divide and rule. They use our religion and our culture as a tool. Every faction, every clan, every border they drew was designed to keep the power away from you. They take the aid money, they pocket the grant, send their kids to London while our children they can't read a book or eat a meal or sleep at night. But they posting on Instagram looking so tight. I seen a general driving a bulletproof car while a veteran with one leg begging at the bar. I seen a minister building villas by the sea while a refugee family got nowhere to be. This ain't leadership, this is organized crime, wearing suits and ties, but they dirty with slime. History will judge them and the verdict is clear. You chose your pockets over people, that's your career. I ain't angry, I'm just speaking the truth. For every stolen childhood and every stolen youth, for every mother who prayed and got nothing back, for every soldier who died on a one-way track. Somalia deserves better, always has and always will. These vultures keep feeding, but the people keep real. One day the sun will rise on a corruption-free land. Till then we keep speaking with a mic in our hand. Who signed a deal that gave our waters away? Who took the oil money and told us to pray? Who blocked the food aid when the children were starving? Who was on the phone with the enemy laughing? Not the fisherman, not the teacher, not the nurse. It's the ones in the parliament making it worse, taking bribes from every side of the border, calling it diplomacy, I call it disorder. You want peace? Then stop funding the war. You want unity? Then stop what you're for. You want Somalia strong? Then get out the way. Let the people lead themselves. Starting today, we don't need your foreign masters pulling your strings. We don't need your empty speeches and diamond rings. We need schools and hospitals and roads that connect. We need leaders with honor and genuine respect. Blood money, that's all they know. Take from the poor, let the rich overflow. Blood money, we see your face. You sold your own people, what a damn disgrace. Rise up Somali, I don't bow to the game. These traitors walk free, but we know their name. Blood money, the truth will speak. The people are rising and the future ain't bleak. Somalia will rise, with or without you. The people always win, in the end. Blood money never lasts, but truth loves forever. Thug life, Somalia life, we still here.